Canva users. So Mr. Chima actually instructed today that henceforth his um, design should be made on 1080 by 1080. So we go to create because we want to create our own um, design from scratch. So remember, you go to custom size and then 1080 by 1080 is in pixels. So we come here 1080 by 1080. So when we are done with that, so this is going to give us a square. So you can actually find this for Instagram posts or animated social media or Facebook video. That's if you want to use the template that is made ready on Canva. So we're going to create the new design. So what we did today was actually very simple. So when we do that, I'm going to, first of all, okay, yes. So with this, I will change the color of my background, give it any color. So you go to the color and then you change it. You can use um, pictures if you want to. You can browse, but for now I'm just going to show you the basics, what we did earlier today. So this is color, and then we are changing it. Okay, let's use yellow like we did today, and then we will upload. So you can use upload if you're using system, but if you're using phone like I'm doing, just go to gallery. Upload is that whenever you use upload, you just save the you save the the picture or image in your system, in your Canva. You don't have to always go to your gallery to get the image. So this is what I'm working with. I'm using Canva Pro, so you can go ahead to use remove.bg to remove the background, but since I'm using Canva Pro, I will just click on background remove and it will remove the background automatically. So when I do that, I can enlarge this here. So enlarge it here, and then I can now get a text box because I want to put a quote. So get a text box. So add text box, and then I will take this out and okay, maybe. Okay, you leave long. Okay, so this is it, and then I can go ahead to align it however I want. So this is where you go to align the text. So this is aligned left, this is aligned, this is equal alignment, then this is aligned right. So we'll go with, okay, this is to align it in the middle or center. So I want to reduce this, and then okay, I think this is okay. So I'll take it here. Let me make it aligned left. So you click on it and align it to the left. Okay, I think I like this, but I don't want this exclamation mark. I'll rather go with a full stop. So this is fine. And then I want to make the text bold. So I will just put on, so click on B, that's bold. And the next thing you want to do is, I don't want to get another text box, so I will just duplicate this using the plus button up there, and I will highlight this because I'm not using this text again, so rather I'm using the quotation. Okay, you can see that. So I will change my font to change that pattern. Or if you don't want to use the quotation mark from your keyboard, what you can do is you can just go ahead and check in your elements for that. Okay, let's use Anthony. Okay, so when I'm done with that, we just click on this and enlarge. Okay, this is okay. And then I want to do something else. I want to go to my elements. Like I said earlier, you can actually check for quotation mark if you don't want to use the one from your keyboard. So you can check for quotation marks. So you can see you have them here, but this is not what I want. So what we want to get here, we want to get shapes. We want to get a rectangle. So no, but not from here, but rather we'll go to shapes. Shapes. So I'll click on the rectangle, and then I'm getting this. So I'm changing this to black, the color to black, and then since it's on top of my image, I will locate my layers and take it behind the image, so it's going under this. You can see, right? So I can still move this, and I want to type. I don't want to go over here to get, I can actually go to text to get another text box, but just to save time, I will duplicate this and then erase it and just put pass. So instead of making everything, I just type everything and not all of them are caps. An easy way to do it is that you just go over to this AA, you put it there, and everything is on caps. So I will come. You can see that the color of the text and the box are the same color. So a better way to go about it is change it so that it's transparent enough. Sorry about this. So what's happening? You see, it's the same. So we have to change this color. We're changing the color to yellow. Okay, and then we have to get this text. Okay, a better way to locate it is go to your layers and click on it. You see, you drag it over here. You can see that was better, and then you adjust it. You adjust it. Okay, I want to add something else to this. And then what are we going to be doing next? The next thing we're going to be doing is adding shadow to this image. So we click on the image and then we click on edit. Sorry, we click on FX, not edit. So you click on the image and then you go to effect, then you click on shadows, and then is the drop shadow we want. So you click on this set buttons, so you can, this is the angle of shadow we want. You use these buttons to adjust whatsoever you want to adjust. And then we have distance, wherever you want it. No, we don't want it there. This is intensity. We don't want it so intense. This angle, I want it here. Okay, and then you can always change the color of the, if you want, you can take it to white, you see, but we're going to leave it at black. Okay, so this is where you adjust your shadows. So this is just what we did in class today. It's just for you to know before we try to do something more advanced. So this is basically what we did in class today. So that's just it. And then when you're done, you can add other effects to this, but we're not going to be going to that. We just wanted to have a knowledge of what we did today. So when you're done, you just go ahead to save it.